The first step is solving a white layer. We're just doing white for simplicity's sake. So here, for example, we can bring pieces like this and bring them down right here. Then if we can pair up pieces, both. Okay, so the first example is if one corner's up, over here, it's down, and just insert this. If a corner is twisted this way, just bring this down and do the same thing. But if the corner is twisted this way, you're just going to bring this out and put this back in, like that. So the next step is just solving all the white corners. So if you have this shape where like these two headlights are poking out and these two are going and facing each other, that's good. Just do this sequence of moves called sledgehammer. So you're going to hold it like this and bring this down. Just bring this down. Bring this down. Just do a sequence of moves called a head sledgehammer. Just solve the corners. So what we're going to do is just bring this down, push this up, use your thumb right here, bring this up, and boom, you just solve the corners. Easy as that. But if you see corners where these corners are, where these two are facing up, you're just going to do a sledge. Now you're going to make sure this corner is facing you and just do a sledgehammer. Sledgehammer. Now you just go into the normal sledgehammer case, so you can just solve the sledgehammer like that. So the next step is just bringing the white center up here. Bring the white center up here. Sometimes you can get lucky and skip this step, but if you get this step, here's what you're going to do. So you're going to hold the white center facing back from you and do one sledgehammer, rotate up twice, and do another sledgehammer. And that solves the top center. So just keep that in mind. So if you have the top center solved and the centers are adjacent to each other, you're just going to do sledgehammer once, and that'll set up to this case. So you're just going to do this case. But that doesn't work, so we're going to do a sledgehammer. Right. And we're just going to, but if we get that case, we just do thing and just put this corner in here and solve the corners. Just going to repeat this as many times until we get this case. But if the centers are opposite of each other, you're pretty much going to do 1, 2, that. Now here, make sure hold the yellow center at the back. Hold the top center at the back. 1, 2. 1, 2. But now you're just going to put this thing here. So to solve this, you're just going to do the sledgehammer 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. And that's how you solve that case. Now the last case right here is when it's like when one center is opposite to this one, but this one's not. What you're going to do is to hold where the opposite. Look at this color and which one's opposite. So that's orange, and you just go here. So you're just going to put this down, slide, rotate, and just do a sledge. And that will be, and the Skewb will be solved. So yeah, thank you for watching. And I'll make another tutorial soon.